14-year-old boy in custody after female student shot at school. Cops under probe after 14-year-old boy is fatally shot, brother injured. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 14-year-old Ocherous High School male student remains in police custody following Monday's shooting incident, which left a 12-year-old girl injured on the school's compound. Reports are that an illegal firearm was being handled in a classroom when it went off and hit a schoolgirl in her thigh. She remains hospitalized in serious but stable condition, according to the head of the St. Anne Police, Senior Superintendent Dwight Powell. According to Powell, reports are that about 12:45 p.m., the firearm was taken to the school. The male teenager was reportedly in the social studies laboratory along with other students where they were handling the weapon when it went off, injuring the schoolgirl. The teachers were alerted and went to the classroom, where a gray and white knapsack was recovered from the floor containing one firearm, Powell informed. The schoolgirl was assisted to the St. Anne's Bay Hospital, where she is being treated. Powell stated that the Ocherous High School is presently being monitored under the Safe Schools program. The Independent Commission of Investigations has launched a probe into an incident in which a 14-year-old high school student was fatally shot and a man said to be his brother injured. The incident took place in Williamsfield, Manchester. The deceased has been identified as Michael Simpson. The police have reported that on Sunday, June 16, officers on duty engaged a vehicle and the driver reportedly disobeyed orders to stop. One of the officers reportedly fired several rounds in the direction of the fleeing vehicle. The driver of the vehicle received injuries to his face, while the passenger in the vehicle succumbed to injuries sustained. No firearm was reported as recovered from the incident scene.